Hey y'all, welcome back to South's Glam Beauty. You guys, I am super pumped over here, okay? I'm so happy, like I am excited, overjoyed, okay? Let me just put it that way, because I got me my little helper, okay? So, you ready for this? My stand mixer. Yay! I needed this in my life, okay? Like mixing this product and at the same time taking pictures and all of that. There's so much you can do with just two hands, okay? So I thought about it. I'm like, even though it's a little pricey, but I'm just gonna get a stand blender. It really helps. Like while I'm blending the product, while the stand blender is doing its work, I can be taking pictures, I can be preparing other things. Like there's so much I can do now that I have this hand blender, okay? So let's unbox this bad boy. Actually, I got the hand blender like almost a week now, but I was busy doing other video. I didn't want to unbox it yet. Oh my god, you guys, the color that I picked, it is a bomb, okay? It is bomb. You gonna love it, okay? You really gonna love it. So this is how it's looking in the box. This box is super huge and heavy. Yep. All right.
Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Body dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go.
This is so heavy, I'm just throwing it all over. So this is my beautiful rose gold stand blender. I love it. I've not even tried it yet. I'm already falling in love with it. I just feel like it's gonna make my life way more easier than it is already, okay? So now, today we are making some whipped body butter again. Yes, we are making some whipped body butter, and for the first time, we're gonna be trying this, okay? So I've just measured out all of my butters and all of that good stuff. I'm gonna put my metal bowl in the hot boiling water, and all of these beautiful butters will melt, okay? So I'm gonna turn down the heat and let it do its thing. I'm giving it a stir. It's almost ready. In a few minutes, it will be done.
Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. You can't. Oh, baby, I know I turn you. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
So this is my butter. I'm gonna put it under here. Oh my God, I can't believe that I have my own mixer. Let me try to bring it closer so you can see a little bit more. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see it. I'm doing everything that I can. I think I'm gonna just get the camera and just put it in here, okay? Because it's fall, okay? This is the movie.
We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky. Body dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Anyways, you guys, I am super happy. This video was a hell of a one, okay? It was all over the place, and I'm so glad that I did, because it was super challenging. I didn't know what to do with this blender. Like, I was crazy. But anyways, I just want to show you the product in question. I know my lighting is not the best tonight, but bear with me, okay? We been held back, okay? So this is it. I love it. I know the labels are not as clear as I would love it to, but yeah, this is it, you guys. I love it, okay? These colors are bomb. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a lot of product pictures, because like I said, we're working on the website, so we need a lot of pictures, and these are going on the website. Okay, I'm going to be taking pictures with them tomorrow and all of that jazz. So thank you so much for watching this complicated video and all of that, and until next time, I will be talking to you in the next video. Peace, and I love you.
Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty.